Hello friends, Jai Hind and welcome back to ICE 360 degree. And today we will cover our fourth part of Biosphere Reserve series. So देखते हैं आज कौन कौन से important Biosphere Reserves हैं. Our first Biosphere Reserve is Panna Biosphere Reserve. Panna Biosphere Reserve is located in Panna and Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. The landscape is associated with the Vindhya mountain and plateau system. And also you can see Cane River is an important river following through the region. Biosphere Reserve status. Panna Biosphere Reserve was designated by UNESCO under the Man and the Biosphere program in 2020. So it became an important addition to India's network of UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. And this Biosphere Reserve represents the Central Indian dry deciduous forest ecosystem. The Biosphere Reserve landscape includes Panna National Park, Gango Wildlife Sanctuary. Major floras are teak, kardai, salai and devda, bamboo and other dry deciduous species. Major faunas are Bengal tiger, leopard, Indian wolf, cheetal, sambar nilgai, chinkara, sloth bear, wild dog and four-horned antelope. So these are the basic features of Panna Tiger Reserve. Second one is Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve. So this Biosphere Reserve is spread across Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in central India. It covers parts of the Mekal Range, an important part of the Satpura mountain system. And this Biosphere Reserve was designated as a Biosphere Reserve in 2005 and was subsequently included in UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserve in 2012. And also this Biosphere Reserve is associated with important river systems like Narmada, Son, Johila. While the Narmada and Son originates in the Amarkantak region. Some other features are the Mekal Hills form an important geographical feature of the reserve, and also the area is dominated by tropical moist and dry deciduous forest. Some important plants are sal, teak, bamboo, mahua and tandu. Some important faunas are four-horned antelope, tiger, leopard, gore, sambar, cheetal, sloth bear and wild dog. So these are the some important features of this biosphere reserve. याद रखने हैं आपको. Third one is Great Run of Kutch Biosphere Reserve. The Great Run of Kutch Biosphere Reserve is located in Gujarat district of India, and this region is drained by Luni, Rupan and Banas river system. And also this biosphere reserve is famous for Indian Wildlife Sanctuary and the Great Flamingo. The most important feature of this biosphere reserve is Chir Bhati. The Chir Bhati, जिसको हम घोस्ट लाइट भी बोलते हैं, is a phenomena reported in the Run of Kutch, especially at night time. This biosphere reserve is characterized by vast salt marshes, mud flats and arid landscapes. Importance. The run is an important habitat for migratory birds and desert wildlife. So आज के लिए इतना ही है. Thank you and thank you so much. And also please like, comment, share and subscribe. Subscribe this channel. Thank you and thank you so much.